Show me an airplane.
Manetta, we haven't seen a plane since we left the beach.
There's 200 or 300 radios in this outfit. There must be somebody you can talk to.
We got a mountain in between. This thing won't
shut
carry
up
over
and
that.
get on with it.
Raven, this is Lobo. This is Lobo, over. Raven, this is Lobo. This is Lobo, over.
Forget the plane.
All right. Anybody. This is Lobo. This is urgent. This is urgent. Any station, please answer.
Keep trying.
Lobo calling anybody. Lobo calling anybody.
Lobo, this is Mike 15. Repeat, Mike 15.
Hey, it's a boat. It's a boat.
Answer him.
This is the patrol. The deep patrol. Tell them this side of the island is lousy with Japs. All going the other way. Tanks, artillery, everything.
Colonel, word from Lieutenant Hearn's patrol. They contacted the boat. Enemy troop concentration moving back through the pass. Appears to be a withdrawal of some sort.
That's what all the noise was for on the F Company front. A cover-up. Where was this concentration?
Coordinates 24776098.
Right here, Colonel.
Get division artillery and the regimental commanders.
What are we doing?
We're mounting a major attack.
And if the patrol is successful, I'll send in a company, reduce the beach defenses, and land a battalion. Gentlemen, if I can get the air and naval support that I need, I know I'll be able to bring this campaign to a swift conclusion. My best bet is a second landing, but I need added support.
Well, General Cummings, our information doesn't substantiate the kind of opposition you've referred to.
With all due respect, General, intelligence reports have been known to be inaccurate. I speak from first-hand knowledge.
I appreciate that, but...
Excuse me, gentlemen. General Cummings, this report states that the officer whom you left in temporary command is launching a major assault. I suggest, General, that you return to your command as quickly as possible, and you'd better reappraise the situation.
Yes, sir.
They're getting closer. I don't care. I'm dead already.
We ain't dead. We just smell dead.
You don't collect insurance for that.
We'll all be dead by tomorrow. This stinking patrol, I told you we'd never make it back.
I'm gonna get back.
Yeah? What makes you so different?
I've got a kid I've never seen. I'm going back.
Me too.
Lord, I ain't never asked much for myself, but I'm asking you to help us get this man back alive.
Bridget! It's the boat! The boat!
How is he?
It all depends on how fast we can get him back to the hospital.
Where's the rest of your patrol?
We don't know.
Who sent the message? We don't know anything about that. We just detailed to bring Lieutenant back.
What message?
One of your guys radioed an enemy position last night. That's what started the bombardment.
Where's my platoon? Where's my men?
They're not back yet, Lieutenant.
They'll be all right. There'll be a boat to pick them up.
Wait.
Start them up.
No, wait.
Sir?
Where's my men?
I'm sorry, sir, but we can't hang around. There'll be a boat.
That's an order. Wait for my men.
Hold it, men! Here they come!
Boys did a hell of a job out there.
We did?
They're sure holding that Jap line.
That was me. That was me.
How come there was a hole in the Jap line?
They sent a regiment back to help fight you boys.
How's the lieutenant?
This everybody?
Yeah, we're the only ones left.
Let's go!
Julio. Tell the men. Thanks.
Well, come in, Sampson. Come in. Yes, sir. There's still no contact from Sampson.
Well, keep trying.
Yes.
Keep trying. Let me see this. Sir.
Of all that damned unbridled stupidity, I told you to keep up the pressure, not to mount a major attack.
Yes, sir, but you said if the enemy began
You've created a disaster. Without air support, you can't sustain a frontal attack. You fool!
What? Sir, we've broken through. We've overrun enemy headquarters. It's a complete rout.